ICT, Information and Communication Technology. Welcome to our ICT lesson. By the end of this lesson, we will be able to understand the definition of ICT, identify the components of ICT, recognize the ICT equipment and sectors where ICT applied. Finally, we will be able to differentiate ICT and IT. What is ICT? ICT stands for Information Communication and Technology. It refers to the application of information technology, IT, and telecommunication that include the use of computer hardware, software, and telecommunications equipment for transmission and presentation of information. Components of ICT. In ICT, we have 4 components: data, information, communication, and technology. Let's start with data. Data is a raw fact that have been entered into computer but have not been processed. It refers to statistics, symbols, basic facts, figures, numbers, or simply records. We have 2 main types of data in computer: analog data and digital data. Analog data is data which is continuous form. Data can be represented as waveform. Example of analog data include temperature, pressure, and humidity. Digital data. It's kind of data that does not vary continuously and is desecrate. The possible values or state of digital data are only 0 or 1, on or off, and true or false. The second component of ICT is information. Information can be defined as processed facts or data that is meaningful and useful to the user. When data are processed, they become information. Let's take an example on computer. When you are using a computer, you enter data using input devices like keyboard, mouse, or microphone. After you enter data, they enter into central processing unit to be processed. After being processed, they are displayed using output devices like a screen, speaker, and the others as information. Number 3 is communication. Communication refers to the exchange of information. In computing, it refers to the process of transmitting information or data signals from the source or sender to the destination receiver through a transmission channel that uses various technologies. What is communication channel? Communication channel is a medium or method used to transmit information from sender to the receiver. Information can be transferred through cables as electrical signal. They can be transferred through fiber optics as light or through the space as microwaves. The main communication channel in computing includes wired channel. In wired channel, data signal transferred as electrical or as light in fiber optics. In wired channel, we have twisted pair cables. Those are cables used in Ethernet network. We have also coaxial cables. is used in cable TV and early computers network. Another one is fiber optic cables. They use light signal for higher speed data transfer. The second one is wireless channel. In wireless channel, we have radio waves used in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile networks. We also have microwaves used in satellite communication and point-to-point links. The last, we have infrared. Infrared's used in remote controls and some short-range data transfer. Number last, we have technology. Technology refers to the application of scientific knowledge to the practical purpose in the human environment. Technology is used in industries and learning institutions, among others. Technology includes the use of materials, tools, techniques, and source of power. Some types of technology. Teaching technology. This is the technology used in teaching and learning process or teaching and learning institutions. Assistive technology. It is technology designed to help people with difficulties like people with disability. Medical technology. It's technology used in medicine. Information and technology. Is technology used for information presentation. There are many other types of technology like military technology, food technology, and others. ICT equipment in sectors where ICT applied. ICT uses various devices. In ICT equipment, we have the following examples. In ICT, we use radios, televisions and projectors, mobile phones or smartphones and tablets, computers, billing machines, and satellite. There are many other devices that are used in ICT. Sectors where ICT applied. ICT is currently used in the following sectors: education, health sectors, business, communication, service delivery, banking, and manufacturing and production. Difference between ICT and IT. ICT and IT are quite different. ICT, as we have said, it refers to the application of information technology, IT, and telecommunication. In ICT, we use IT plus telecommunication. That includes the use of computer hardware, software, and telecommunication equipment for transmission and presentation of information. ICT is broader than IT as it includes IT and communication technology. Information technology, IT, is the use of computers, storage devices, networking devices, and other electronic devices to create, process, store, secure, and exchange all forms of data. Key areas of IT include computer hardware, software, networking, data management, cybersecurity, technical support, and cloud computing. To understand well, let's compare ICT and IT. According to the scope, ICT is broader than IT because it includes IT and communication technology. IT is narrower as it focuses mainly on information system and technology. ICT focus on dealing with the use of technology for communication and information sharing, while IT deals with processing, storing, and retrieval of data. Examples of ICT include internet, mobile phones, social media, telecommunication, e-learning platforms, and other. While IT, we have computers, servers, database, software, and networks. ICT is applied in education, health sectors, business, communication, social networking, and other. While IT is applied in software development, cybersecurity, system administration, and others. The tools used in ICT include email, video conferencing, messaging app, VoIP, websites, and others. The tools used in IT include operating system, database, programming tools, servers, and many others. In ICT, we have broader audience, include general users and organizations for communication. While IT is mainly used by IT professionals and tech teams. Here is the list of careers in both IT and ICT fields. In IT careers, we have software developers, IT support specialists, network administrators, database administrator, cybersecurity analyst, system administrator, cloud engineers, DevOps engineers, data analyst, AI machine learning engineers. While in ICT, we have the following careers: ICT teachers and trainers, digital content creators, telecommunications technicians, ICT project managers, social media managers, e-learning developers, ICT consultants, technical writers, broadcast technicians, and others. By concluding, ICT nowadays is very crucial. It is being used by many people, whether they know or not. That's why you need to have the ICT knowledge in whatever cases. It is very important to be with us here on this channel. Click for skills. If you find this video important, please hit subscribe button, like and share. And if you have something to tell us, please don't hesitate to comment. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in next video.